Bonjour tout le monde, c'est votre cours de français. Leçon 1, Belle image. Lesson 1, Beautiful images. C'est un beau restaurant. Dans le restaurant, il y a des tables noires, de belles couvertures blanches avec une ambiance très calme. This is a beautiful restaurant. In the restaurant, there are black tables with black with the beautiful and white tablecloths and with an ambience very beautiful. Ce sont des amis. Le garçon est gros et mignon. La fille est mince et mignonne. Les deux sont très amusants et aimables. These are friends. The boy is fat and naughty. The girl is thin and naughty. The two are very amusing and lovable. C'est une grande bibliothèque. Dans la bibliothèque, il y a des livres épais et minces. C'est une bibliothèque très ancienne. This is a big library. In the library, there are books thick and thin. This is a very old library. C'est un petit livre bleu. Il y a des leçons courtes. Les leçons sont très intéressantes. C'est un nouveau livre. This is a small blue book. There are lessons shorts, or there are short lessons. The lessons are very interesting. This is a new book. Now in this slide we'll learn how to make the plural of noun. Le pluriel des noms. There are different ways of making plurals of noun in French. So these are as following. Plural with no change. Number 1. Formation of plural by retaining the singular form for nouns ending with s, x and z. Only the article changes. It means those nouns which are ending with s, x and z. They don't change while making the plural. Only the article le, la, le and l apostrophe changes. For example, le bus, le bus, it will become only le bus. You have to change only le, that is singular, into les, le. Likewise, it is le prix, les prix, le nez, les nez, le fille, les filles, la croix, les croix, et la souris, les souris. So all the nouns are same, but only the article changes into plural here. So plural by adding s. Second number, formation of plural by adding s to the singular noun. So here in these nouns, the nouns are singular here, but we have to put after the end of the noun s, and the article will also change here. So first example I will read here is given le garçon. Here we can see le garçon means le is here singular, masculine singular, garçon is here singular, that is also masculine singular. But while making it into plural, changing it into plural, this le, it changes into les, le, and we have to write garçon with s. Likewise, it is la fille, les filles, l'homme, les hommes, un cahier, des cahiers. Because here un cahier, un is indefinite article. So it is because cahier is masculine singular, so it will be un cahier. And while changing this un cahier into plural, we have to change the un also, and it will become un will change into des, they, and the cahier here we have to write with s to make it plural, so it becomes des cahiers. Likewise, it is une fleur, des fleurs. So plural with aux. Number 3, formation of plural by changing the noun ending al, ail to aux. If the noun is changing with if the noun is ending with al and ail, so it will change into aux. For example, le journal. Here we can see journal is ending with al, so it becomes les journaux with aux. Likewise, l'animal, it becomes les animaux. And le travail. Travail is ending with AIL. So it will change into les travaux with AUX. Likewise, it is le vitre. It becomes les vitraux. So now, attention. To form plurals, the definite article le, la, L apostrophe changes to les. The indefinite article un and un changes to they. L'accord is adjective. So agreement of adjectives. In French, adjectives agree with the number and gender of noun that they qualify. So here number one, let's learn how to make an adjective feminine. Number one, to make an adjective feminine, usually e is added to the masculine form. The very simple way of making it feminine. So petty, you can see here it is ending with t, but while changing into feminine singular, it becomes petite, and the pronunciation also will be a little bit long here. So it becomes petite with e. So intéressant, we have to add yes, intéressante, it becomes with e. Then court becomes courte, and we have to add here also e. So these are the examples of adding e to make it feminine singular. Just so désolé. Second number, the adjectives remain same in the feminine form if the adjective ends with e in the masculine form. It means if an adjective is ending with e, there is no need to make it to change to add another e here. It will remain same. Like masculine singular, we can see here difficile. So in feminine singular also it will be difficile only with the same spelling. So jeune, it is also same as jeune. Rouge, rouge, mass, mass. So all the adjectives are same in both the forms here. Number three, adjectives ending with eau in the masculine form changes eau to ELLE to get the feminine form. Like here, if a noun is ending with eau, then it changes into ELLE. For example, beau, it becomes belle, and nouveau, it becomes nouvelle. Number four, some irregular adjectives are made feminine by doubling the final consonant and adding an e. So here you can see masculine singular bon, 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 but while making it feminine, it becomes bon with double n and e. So we have to double the consonant sound, then we have to add e here. Ancien, it becomes ancienne with double ne. Gros becomes gross with double se. Bas becomes basse with double s and e. And gentil becomes gentil avec double l and e. Now let's learn how to make an adjective plural. Number one, normally we make the adjectives plural by adding an s. So simply just we have to add with these words, with these adjectives, s. So mass becomes mass with s, grand becomes grand with s, bleu becomes bleu with s, bon becomes bon with s here. So simply you have to add here s to make it plural. Number two, however, the plural form remains the same for the adjectives ending with s and x. So if an adjective is ending with s and x, it remains same in the plural form. Like épée. Épée is ending with s. It will be same in the plural form also, and it becomes épée only. Mauvais in the singular form and plural form, both the places it is same. Gros, gros, vieux, vieux. So three. Number third, formation of plural by adding an x to the adjective ending with eau. Like if any adjective is ending with eau, then we have to add at the end x to make it plural. For example, beau, it becomes beau with x. Nouveau, it becomes nouveau with x. Exceptions. So here there is a word weird. So it is very exception. Masculine singular, it is veer with V-I-E-U-X, but masculine singular with vowel or H, it becomes veer with V-I-E-I-L. So masculine plural form of this veer word will be veer. V-I-E-U-X, and feminine singular it becomes V-I-E-I-L-L-E. And for making it feminine plural, it becomes just, we have to add here S with the feminine singular form. Now here are the questions. Question 1. Remplacez les blancs avec les adjectifs donnés. So the words are given here. We have to just choose the correct word and to fill the blanks. The first one, c'est une belle femme. Elle est très heureuse. Elle travaille dans une grande entreprise. Elle espère être le chef de banque. C'est une idée formidable. Deuxième question, donnez le pluriel des noms suivants. Here, the nouns are given and we have to write the plural form as we have read in the chapter. So, l'oiseau, it becomes les oiseaux with X. Le journal, it becomes les journaux with AUX. La souris, les souris with S. L'année, here we have to change only the article and it becomes les nez. Le trou, it becomes les trous with S. Un carnaval becomes des carnaval with S. Une trousse becomes des trousses with S. Une croix, it will remain same but only you have to change the indefinite article en into they. Un fort, des forts, un travail, des travaux. Mettez au pluriel question 3. So here the sentences are written in singular form and we have to change them into plural form. So the question 1 is il y a un livre blanc. It becomes il y a des livres blancs. Here un will change into des livres with S and blanc with S. B. L'arbre est vert. L'arbre becomes plural and it becomes les arbres. Les arbres sont verts with S. C'est une leçon intéressante. Ce sont des leçons intéressantes. Le garçon est beau. Les garçons sont beaux. La femme aime le gâteau. Les femmes aiment les gâteaux with X. C'est un animal. Ce sont des animaux. Question 4. Mettez au singulier. So here the sentences are in the plural form and you have to change it into singular form. Number A. Ce sont des travaux. It becomes c'est un travail. Number B. Ils ont des joujoux. Il a un joujou. Number C. Les leçons sont difficiles. La leçon est difficile. Number D. Vous finissez les gâteaux. Tu finis le gâteau. Number E. Les oiseaux chantent. L'oiseau chante. Number F. Il y a des souris dans les chambres. Il y a une souris dans la chambre. Now, les exceptions. Un bal, des bals. Un carnaval, des carnavals. Un festival, des festivals. Un récital, des récitals. And plural with AUX, EUX and OUX. Number 4, formation of plural of the noun ending with AU, EU, OU to AUX and EUX, OUX respectively. Like if a noun is ending with AU, EU, OU, so it becomes AU changes into AUX, EU changes into EUX and OU changes into OUX. For example, some examples are given here like legato, it becomes legato with AUX. Low becomes lezo. Le niveau becomes le niveau with X. Le bijou becomes le bijou. Le bateau, les bateaux. L'oiseau, les oiseaux. La joujou, les joujou. Some exceptions are there. Un clou, des clous. You have to just put here as un coup, des coups with S. Un pneu, des pneus with S. Un trou, des trous with S. Un mur bleu becomes des murs bleu. So these are the exceptions and you will have to remember them as it is. Question 5. Mettez au féminin. Le garçon est petit, la fille est petite. Here you have to change into feminine form. Le garçon est petit, la fille est petite. Number B, c'est un bel étudiant, c'est une belle étudiante. Le père est gentil, la mère est gentille. L'oncle est intéressant, la tante est intéressante. Ils sont sympathiques, elles sont sympathiques. Le grand-père est vieux, la grand-mère est vieille. Question 6. Mettez au masculin. So here these are feminine sentences and you have to change them into masculine one. Elle est belle, il est beau. La fille est sympathique, le garçon est sympathique. Les amies sont heureuses, les amies sont heureuses. Elles sont gentilles, ils sont gentils. C'est une grosse femme, c'est un gros homme. Tu es grand, tu es grande. Question 7. Écrivez les contraires. Sympathique, antipathique, opposites you have to write here. Long, it becomes court. Vieux, nouveau. Gros, mince. Heureuse, triste. Petite, grande. Intéressante. Ennuyeuse. Et bas, it is haut. Now question 8. Choisissez les bons adjectifs. The first one is petit. Then the second one is épais, ancien et longue. Question 9. Mettez les adjectifs à la forme combinable. Number A. Le livre est. You have to change the John into correct form, but it will remain here same and it will become John only. Number B. Steffi et Lisa sont souriantes with femme, because Steffi and Lisa, these are two girls, so it will be souriante with es. Number C. C'est une nouvelle bibliothèque, because bibliothèque c'est féminin singulier. Les filles sont jolies with es. La leçon est ennuyeuse. C'est un bel appartement. Varun aime le chat noir. Les oiseaux sont noirs with s. C'est un vieil homme, because before vowel this will be the form of vieil. La souris est méchante, because la souris c'est féminin. Et c'est tout pour aujourd'hui.